Hello everyone, I am Prabhanshu Misra from Uttar Pradesh. I have secured All India first rank in JRF 2023. I have completed my BSc Honours Horticulture from SBPUT Meerut. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents, seniors, juniors, batchmates, friends, and all professors for supporting me during my preparation, and especially thanks to Hearty Medium and Agri Topper Academy to help out in my preparation. Here I am share to my experience and how to start your preparation and how to secure a good rank, and also discussed about the question paper, important books, and some platform where to attend test series, quiz, etc. Firstly, I have discussed about the syllabus of JRF horticulture. In major group horticulture, question mainly come from two units. First is general agriculture. It cover about 20 to 25% question. And second unit is horticulture. It cover about 75 to 80% question. In horticulture units, fruit science, vegetable science, and floriculture. These are three major parts. Maximum question come from these three portions. And other minor parts are plantation crops, spices crops, medicinal and aromatic crops, and post-harvest technology. Very few questions come from these portions. For general agriculture, I have followed a competitive book of agriculture by Nemra Sunda, Fundamental of Agriculture, Volume 1 and Volume 2, books by Arun Katyan sir, and some reading part are covered in BD Singh books. And for general horticulture, I have followed the Basic Horticulture by Dr. Jiten Singh sir and Handbook of Horticulture by KL Chadda sir. And for the fruit science, I have followed the Handbook of Horticulture, Essence of Horticulture, Clusters Horticulture, Ready Reckoner for Pomology, and Textbook of Pomology by T.K. Chaturpadhyay sir. Total 4 volume in this book. For vegetable science, I have followed the Handbook of Horticulture, Essence of Horticulture, Glastus Horticulture, Vegetable Science by D. Singh, Compiled Vegetable Science by Madhusudan Reddy sir, and Textbook of Vegetable Science by Thamburas sir. And for floriculture, I have followed the Handbook of Horticulture, Essence of Horticulture, Glastus Horticulture, and Floriculture by Desraj sir. And for plantation and spices crops, Handbook of Horticulture, Essence of Horticulture, Glastus Horticulture, and Introduction to Spices Plantation and Aromatic Plants by Yan Kumar sir. And for the post-harvest technology, Essence of Horticulture, Glastus Horticulture, and Handbook of Horticulture. And for medicinal and aromatic crops, only Glastus are sufficient. I have practiced in some MCQ books like Treasure of Fruit Science, Objective Agriculture by K. Madhusudan Reddy sir, and MCQ in Horticulture by Bharat Singh Hadda. Now coming in JRF 2023 question paper discussion. The question paper is comprises in 120 question. For each correct answer, it will get 4 marks, and for each wrong answer, 1 negative marks. I have attempted 117 question. My aim must to attempt more and more number of question because negative marking is only 1/4. I have attempted mainly two kind of question. First one is question which have 100% sure about the answer, and second one is the question which have 50% sure about the answer. In this year, the question level is moderate and it comprises the different kind of question such as statement based question, assertion region based question, matching, and normal MCQ. So possible to attend these kind of question if your concept should be very clear and basics should be very strong. Because in statement based question, first you have to know which statement is correct, first or second or both statement, then go to take the answer. And in assertion region based question, first you have to know the statement are correct or not. If you know that both the statement are correct, then you have to decide if second one is the region of first one or not. In every year I have seen one to two question are repeated from previous year question paper. So I would like to advise you can cover the all previous question paper such as JRF, SRF, NET in the very carefully. I would like to advise you to start the preparation in second year or third year onwards, and if you can start the preparation in fourth year, then it very less possible to secure good rank, because it not possible to cover all the syllabus in 1 year time. I also start my preparation from second year onwards. Firstly, I started the general horticulture and general agriculture parts. After that, fruit science, vegetable science, and floriculture and ornamental. After complete this, the start minor crops like plantation crops, spices crops, medicinal and aromatic crops, and post-harvest technology. I have prepared self-handwritten notes in which noted down all extra point from the MCQ books, quiz, mock test, and other important books, and I revised them again and again more than possible, because revision play very important role in memorization. After the cover in whole syllabus, I started practice in MCQ books and started the group discussion with my dear friends. My friends helped me a lot during my preparation. They used to ask the question as conceptual and factual based, and this is very helpful to me for the clear concept. I have joined the test series in Hearty Medium and Agri Topper Academy. These two test series are very helpful to me during the preparation, because they introducing JRF based question by taking the topic wise mock test and full lengthy test. I try to attempt almost all the question and also try to secure under fifth rank in every test. Therefore, it improve my confidence. I have joined the different Telegram channel for attending the quiz, and also join in WhatsApp group for discussion the doubt with friends and seniors. One more thing, nowadays Essence and Class Test Horticulture second fully revised edition come. I would like to advise firstly you cover first edition, after that go to start second edition. In second edition, all topics are not important, especially minor crops. In this book, cover only the major parts, and minor crops are covered in only first edition. Again, especially thanks to all Hearty Medium teams and my senior Dr. Kripa Shankar Maurya sir, and also my dear friend. Thank you so much.